And it's 12:15 on your Wednesday. It's the middle of June in Alabama, so Dave Nussbaum is here to tell us it's hot. Dave, can you believe it?
At least we're in the air conditioning, right? We're lucky to have a job to keep us inside, but many of you don't have that luxury, and you're outside in it. Right now you can see, look at all the haze out there, too. So we actually have to deal with a little bit of Saharan dust across the area. Our temperatures coming in 92 degrees, the dew point 75. It is ridiculously humid. Heat index 104 right now, but when you look at that Saharan dust, it is some light dust here, a little thicker back to Memphis, the thicker dust down there in the western part of the Gulf, but that's giving us the kind of milky look to the sky and little hazy conditions out there we have over top of the Birmingham area. Temperature-wise, from 93 in Asheville, 92 in Gadsden, 93 in Anniston now, Tuscaloosa 94, same for Fayette, Jasper 97. You factor in those dew points in the 70s, 104 Tuscaloosa, Moundville, 105 Fayette, 104 Asheville. How about Talladega, 108 right now. Dangerously hot out there. We're going to have those air temperatures getting to 96 this afternoon. We'll see about a 40% chance for some scattered storms late. We're talking late after sunset. The bulk of those storms will come on in. So if you're heading out to the pool, yeah, great weather for that. But again, if it can be late 7 o'clock there, pools usually close shortly thereafter once it gets dark. That's when we'll start to see some of that rain coming on in. But the highs today, 96 here to Asheville, to Gadsden, 97 Tuscaloosa, Jasper, Fayette, 95. Remember, on average, we're only supposed to be 88. And the heat index, 106, 105 to 110. Yeah, definitely going to be a toasty one out there once again. So the heat advisory in effect today and also tomorrow, and it'll likely be extended into Friday as well, because look at that, heat index 107 today, 106 tomorrow, 107 Friday. It does go back down because some less humid air comes into play next week, so you notice the air temperature and the heat index not that far off because of that. But obviously stay hydrated, lightweight, light color clothing, frequent breaks if you must be outdoors, and never leave kids and the pets in the car. Throw your stuff in the back seat, especially if your routine is changing, so you can check what's going on in the back seat. How about my ice cream scoop cast? Calling 3 scoops again today, high of 96, heat index 106 or greater. Yeah, 3 scoops of ice cream might help a little bit as long as you can get it before it melts. Big ridge of high pressure remaining over us today, tomorrow as well, but it builds to the west on Friday, and that's going to allow our next weather maker to come in, which is this front sitting in the plain states. Not going to cool us down, but it helps bring us a little rain and some less humid air. But today may see a couple storms trying to come in from Georgia a little later on. Right now, just kind of partly cloudy out there, but you can see there is a risk, level 2 out of 5, slight risk for severe weather for gusty winds, hail, and heavy rain. Won't see many storms, but those that do could get a little intense a little later on throughout the day. So this afternoon, pretty quiet, hit or miss variety of storms. We'll see a couple coming in there from Georgia late tonight into early tomorrow morning. There you can see down to the south of us. After that, looks pretty quiet till we get into Thursday afternoon. We will start to see some of these scattered storms popping up from lunchtime into the afternoon hours. Again, some of those could produce some downpours, gusty winds through the evening hours, as we'll keep a close eye on those as we head into Friday time frame anyway. Festival forecast, Steel City Jazz Fest, just heard about it. 90s for Friday and Saturday. Definitely going to be quite toasty out there, but it won't be as humid for the weekend. But here comes the 100-degree heat potentially next week.
All right, Dave, today is World